here, baby. Look at
All right, babe, these are our
pigs.
Our meat birds.
Our little pigs.
These are our Cornish Cross meat birds. We're gonna take them out one at a time. Hello everybody, this is Danny from Deep South Homestead. We are out here today in our chicken building. We have bought the Cornish Cross chickens here. Our homestead is all about raising our own food. We've pretty much got the vegetable thing down pat where we don't have to buy any vegetables anymore. So now we are working on getting the meat part taken care of. Now after watching Kevin and Sarah from Living Traditions and several other YouTube channels on raising chickens for meat, we have realized that the Cornish Cross is probably going to be the best breed to raise for feed meat conversion. So we've got our new biddies in here. We're going to be raising them for the next, we're going to see if we can do it in 6 to 8 weeks, see if we can get them to where they need to be at. to go to the freezer. We're hoping that it all works out well for us, and we're going to take y'all along on that journey as we get there now. So, thank you from Deep South Homestead.